Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google form with conditional logic. We will get step by step through creating a sport survey that changed based on the user's answer, all without writing a single code. By the end of this video, you will be able to build interactive form that feels customizable and professional. So first of all, we need to know what is conditional logic in the Google form. So, conditional logic allows your form to show or hide a certain questions or section based on how a user responds. Think of it like if this, then that. For example, if a person select football as their favorite sports, they will get football related question. If the person choose a different sports, for example, tennis, it will they will get a complete different set of questions. This is incredibly useful surveys or quiz or event registration or even internal assignments. Now let's see how you can build this with the real world example. So first of all, you have to head over to this website, which is doc.google.com form. So you can access from your web browser. Now let rename the form. First of all, after clicking on this link, you will get to see this kind of interface. From here you have to choose this blank form. Now you can choose as well, these are all templates. You can use templates as well, but we are creating a conditional form, so I will just simply click a blank form. Now you have to enter the name first, which will be the, as I said already, uh, we are creating sports survey, so I will just simply enter the name of favorite. What is this? Just simply add fav favorite favorite sport survey. As you can see here, I have spelled maybe right or wrong. Now form description, you have to add a form description, or you can just leave it. So now this will be the form that adapts to the sport someone chooses and asks them more question based on what he chooses. First, let's gather some basic information. First of all, we will add first question. Here you can add a first question of here. First, we will be adding what is your name, and after that you have to choose question type, which will be the short answer. From here you have to choose the answer type. For example, if you want short answer for like 2 to 3 words, you can just simply select short answer. If you want paragraph, you can just simply click on the paragraph. Now if you want multiple choice, you can do that as well. If you want checkbox drop down, or you can choose as well that. Right now I want short answer for the name. Just simply click on the short name. And if you want to make it required, you can just simply click on the required button. It will be required question, and it has to be the answer has to be given. So question number 2 will be, just simply click on this add question. Over here, as you can see, there is an icon of plus. Just simply click over here. It will give the form where you can add one more question. Now the second question will be, what is your age group? Now right now over here I will just uh, right now this answer cannot be given in the short answer, so I will choose multiple choices. Now in option 1 I will give under 18. Now if you can see here add option, just simply click on this add option. Or if you want to choose add others, just simply click on others. Right now I have to add more options, to just simply add one more. As you can see here, right now I have given by second option. Now I have to enter the second option, which is 18 to 30. and add one more, 31 to 45. Add one more, 46 plus. So this helps to personalize the experience a bit. For I will just simply click a required. This will be a very required option for all of. And now here comes the key question that will control everything else. Now uh, just add one more question. Now, which sports do you enjoy the most? You have to add this. Which sport do you like or enjoy the most? Add question mark. Now, right now from here we will give the conditional, we will put logic over here. So I will just simply choose multiple choices. Now, first option will be football. The second option will be the cricket. Make this first letter as a capital letter. Add one more option, which is tennis. And the fourth option will be basketball. Now, make this required too. Just simply click on this required option. You can see over here. Just simply turn on. Now, we are going to branch out the form based on this answer. To use conditional logics, we need to divide the form into section. So section 1 is already done, which is name, age, and sports preference. Now click on the add section button 4 times to create a section for each sports. From over here, just simply click over here. Now go to section based answer. As you can see here in the left side of this question, you will get to see this tiny bar. Over here in the bottom, you will get to see the add section. Just simply click on the add section. As you can see here, I have created the section 2 of C. Now I have created 4 sections, which is from over here. Just simply click over here. You will get to see this add section. Just add all the section according to that. Now, first question will be related to the football. So, what I will do is to add the question related to football. Which football league do you follow the most? And give the question mark and just simply add the question. So I have added the question in a wrong place. Here you have to add the name of the sport, football fans. Now give the section 2 is cricket forever or lover. Give the third section name tennis. Give the fourth section name basketball. So now I will ask the question related to football. So what I will do is to just simply click over here. You can add question over here. Just simply click on the add question. Just delete the something. So I will ask the question, which football league do you watch the most? Now here you have to add the options. Option 1 will be Premier League. And the second option will be La Liga. Third option will be whatever the league name is, Bundesliga. And the fourth one, Series A. So do you play football regularly? If you want to add one more question, you can add that too. For example, I will add, do you play football regularly. Now you can choose option yes or no, just check boxes, or multiple choices, give yes, add more question, which will be no. Now let's jump into the section 2, which will be the cricket. If someone chooses the cricket, so it will ask the question of cricket. So what I will do is just simply click on the cricket section and add a question related to that. So what will be the question first? Which which format do you like the most? From here you can add multiple choices, for example test, ODI, T20, or I will just add ICC tournament, or you can just add the T20. So these are the three options. If you want to add one more question, you can just simply add one more question, which will be the who is your favorite cricketer, who is your favorite cricketer. So this will be the short answer. So what I will do is just simply put short answer over here. So this is all question are related to cricket. I have added the wrong question into wrong section. What I will do, just simply go in the correct section, add the question, give the short answer, and add one more question. It will ask the watch format do you like. Option 1 is test, option 2 will be ODI, option 3 will be T20. So it was my mistake. I have mistakenly entered all the question related to cricket in the tennis section. So just what you have to do is to go into tennis section and just change the question, which Grand Slam is your favorite. You can give a short answer over here. I will just simply do what will do, just ask the short answer. I will not add the options. Do you play tennis? You have to give the answer yes or no. Yes, no. So in the basketball, just simply click on the basketball section and click on the add question. Just simply click on this add section. First question will be, do you follow the NBA? Just yes or no, yes or no, or maybe. It is required, you can give the required option as well. Just add one more question, your favorite basketball player. So I will choose short answer. So now we have created a simple form where you can, if you choose first answer, it will give the question related to that. So first of all, go back to the which sport do you enjoy the most question. Click over here, and you will get to see this three dots at the bottom right corner. Select it and click over here and select to go to section based on answer. So now you have to choose continue to next section. Just simply click over here. Now You have to choose for football, go to section 2, football fan. We have given the name cricket for cricket lovers. If you are tennis, you can click on the tennis, basketball for basketball. So each user will now only see the question related to the sports they selected. Next, at the end of each sports section, make sure the form doesn't continue to next sports question. In each section, bottom right drop down select submit form instead of continue to next section. For example, if I go into football fans section, it will ask these two questions. Now in the drop down menu, you have to continue to you have to choose submit form instead of continue to next section. As you can see here, just simply click on the submit form, go in the cricket lover, uh, change continue to next section to submit form. Just do that. So it will be the short answer. Now you from here you have to add follow up conditional logic. It is optional, you can go even deeper if you want. For example, in the football section, if someone selected Premier League, you can take them to the another section where you ask Man United or Liverpool, which Premier League team do you like, or support. You can give the options like Man United, Liverpool, and this and that. This requires creating additional section and repeating the go to section based on answer step by step. It's just like choose your own adventure form. So yeah, now form setting and preview. Now before sharing your form, click on the setting icon. In the top you will get to see this setting option. Just simply click on the setting. From here you can collect emails, or you can limit to one response, allow editing after submission, you can do that too. Now under the presentation you can enable progress bar as well. Just simply click on this presentation. You can tell show progress bar, shuffle question order, and now click on the eye icon to preview the form. Over here in the top right corner you will get to see this eyes option. If you hover over here you will get to see this preview name. Now just simply try to select different sport and see how the form changes. Just simply click over preview. So what is my name? My name is ABCD. My age is under 18. So for example, I choose football. Just simply click on the next. It will give me the football related question. As you can see, which football league do you follow the most? I will just simply click La Liga. Do you play football regularly? Yes, I play. And from here you can just simply click on the submit button. Just simply go over here. I have not added the email. If I choose cricket, just simply go the next. You can add the answer you like. So share your form. Happy with the result? If you happy with this preview result, you can just simply leave it and go back to your setting, and from here you can click the send button in the top right corner. Like over here you can publish it, or you can invite someone, or you can share it as well. So what I will do is to just copy the link, use a URL shortener like bit.ly if you want to clear link. So you just build a dynamic and interactive Google form that responds to your users answer like a pro. No coding needed, easy branching, professional experience. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with this friend. And got any question or want to see this applied in other use cases like event registration or job application, drop a comment below and I will make video for that too. So thanks for watching.